What's going on, everybody? Today we are going to be creating Space Invaders. That's what it is. Nearly forgot it. It's made by Tomohiro Nishikado. I don't know how to pronounce it, and I probably butchered it, but I apologize. Let's begin. Okay. Zoom in. Can't forget that. Doc type HTML. Let's get some tags in here. HTML. And what I'll do is say head. What I'll say now is script type equals text / JavaScript to src equals and we're gonna have to reference p5. There's our p5. There we go. So now what I need to do is reference Space Invaders. There we go. Now within Space Invaders we're gonna say setup create canvas. We'll say 600 by 400 should be good. Cool. Function draw background 51. That'll be great. Cool. I think that looks good. It's okay, Chrome. Don't need any of that. Okay, so what you're gonna say is create function saucer. There we go. We'll just name it saucer. Now we will say everything's gonna be a saucer, really. Where is Space Invaders? Nope, not Sprinter Game. Space Invaders. What's going on? It's Cancer Gaming. Saucer.js. There we go. What we will have is a this.position equals create. Nope, not canvas. Vector xy. Let's pass in an xy. And a what do you call it? Shape. I'll just say S and a color. Oh, and if it's an enemy or not. Okay. We should be able to give it a velocity too. You know what? We'll have a saucer. We'll also have a bullet. So function laser. We'll call it a laser. Did I spell it wrong? Laser. I'm putting the Z. It's gonna be a laser. Okay. Laser.js. Okay. This is gonna have this dot position equals create vector xy, and then here we're gonna pass the xy, x velocity, y velocity. This isn't going to deal with any angles really. So that's good. Now what we will do is say this dot velocity equals create vector x velocity, y velocity. Nice. We'll also have this dot color. So this dot c equals c color. We have this dot position. This dot s equals s. Say shape. This dot c equals c color. This dot e equals e enemy. There we go. We have to check if it's an enemy or not, and then we also have to say e on this one also. E. So this dot e equals e enemy. So this is kind of like implementing friendly fire. When I say enemy, we need to know if it's an enemy bullet, and if it hits other enemies, it won't destroy those enemies. And yeah. Saucer dot prototype dot update. Oh, I messed this up. Okay, equals function. This needs that. Let's put the semicolon there. There we go. We're gonna need to draw. You need to move. xy. These will be absolute coordinates. So actually no, we need an ABS, whether it's absolute or not. What we'll do is say we want to make sure it's in the middle. So in order to draw the shape, let's go to P5. Begin shape. Okay, so it's I'd like these all to be center aligned, but I don't think that's possible with our time constraints. So what I'll do is say stroke 255, stroke weight 3, and then we will say fill this dot c there, and then we will say for var I equals 0, I is less than shape. It should be pi time, here, can we do 2 pi? 2 pi. There we go. 2 pi over this dot s, and then we will say I plus equals actually no, it shouldn't be that. It should be this 2 pi and then we'll say var step equals there, plus equals step. And what we'll do within this is we will say we actually need to do the begin shape. So we will say begin shape end, no, my bad, end shape close there. Within this for loop, what exactly needs to happen? We need to say vertex at we'll figure it out. Let's see. What's going on, Prophet Proof? How you doing? Sorry if you've messaged me, I have yet to check my notifications today. But let's see. Would it be x plus 2 pi? No. Okay. Circle in here. Let's do. I want to look at the code. We have a curve, right? I want it to kind of. Okay, let's do a test. We're going to, instead of doing this, instead of doing it with a like so, we are just going to say plus equals 0.1. There we go. That's what we'll say for now. And we will say point at how does this happen? How does this happen? I'm not exactly sure. Point at sine of I, cosine of I have no clue. Let's try that. Let's just try that. This dot position dot x plus that, and we will create a new saucer. Var aliens equals an array. We'll push that array. Aliens dot push new saucer. Ooh, Jesus, this is gonna be a long. Okay, xy. I think we're gonna do width over 2 height. Oh, you have a game? Awesome. I'd love to hear it. Let's do 10. S really doesn't matter. Color, our call. And then enemy or not, we'll just say true. Function, our call is going to be return color random 255, and then we will copy this there. Awesome. Let's try it. Saucer is not defined. Right. Need to define saucer and laser. Laser. Okay. Are we drawing it? No, you're not. And I know why. For var I equals aliens.length -1. I is greater than or equal to 0. I plus plus. Actually, minus minus. I always seem to forget. And then we will say aliens of I. Nope. Dot draw. Gush. Gush. What's to say? Update. Neat. We get kind of a thing. So if we do this and say this dot s instead of haha, yes, awesome, fantastic. So it did work. I'm gonna change this to size, this to sh equals sh. Size shape. Shape. Enemy with a question mark because that's a boolean. Now what we will do is say plus equals step. There we go. Okay. It's really just that part. Oh, right. No, it should be working again. Is not a valid color. Oh, right. I forgot. So 10, we'll go with 5 this time. Yes, that's exactly what I was hoping for. Fantastic. You guys can't see this, I don't think. Oh, you can. Awesome. We will do instead is say vertex. We will say begin shape, end shape. No need for this. And it's not showing up. Oh, right. That's why. That should have been obvious to me. Okay. There. There. Awesome. Now we have a 5-sided shape. It's not 5 sides. What needs to happen here? Maybe it's just pi. We have this. Somehow this has worked, and I don't understand how. No, okay, that didn't work either. 2 pi over this s. No, this dot sh, my bad. There we go, now I have a 5-sided shape. Oh, that's awesome, look at this. Look at this, guys. I'm really excited now. Pentagon. Wait a minute. Hexagon. Wait a minute. Heptagon. Wait a minute. Octagon. Wait a minute. Nonagon. Wait a minute. Decagon. Wait a minute. Undecagon. Wait a minute. Dodecagon. Okay. Awesome. But yeah, that's fantastic. I'm really happy about that. Somehow, okay, let's see what happens, because I did this kind of first try, it worked. What happens if I make them both sine? We get a line. What if I make this cosine and this one cosine? We get the same line. What if I make this one? Okay, so it doesn't matter exactly what they are, you just have to make them different. So this is awesome. I'm hyped now. Oh my gosh. That is exciting. I don't think I was not expecting it to be that easy. To make all sorts of shapes. Let's move this over here. There. Let's move this over here. This is position.y. Awesome. I'm psyched about this. Okay. Let's see. We want our var space, or we'll name it shuttle, equals, we won't set it equal to anything. Shuttle equals new saucer with these arguments, almost these arguments. I'm just gonna delete this. Yeah, okay, this is fine. I'm just going to actually name this. There we go. It's going to have 20 or so. We'll make this 3 now. Wait a minute. What happened to it? Did I mess things up? Oh, we aren't updating it. Right. Shuttle.update. Shuttle.draw. Gnarly. Let's make this 3. Yes. Yes. I'm stoked about this now. Except, to be quite honest, I wanted it rotated. I wanted it to rotate. So that means I doesn't equal this. It should equal quarter pi. Then we'll say 2 pi plus quarter pi, which is 2 1/4 pi. Oh wait, no, that wasn't it. Let's just say pi. Well, that wasn't it either. Okay, wait, I'll read the game real quick. So you have some box down, and when you move that box on arrows, box is moving as well. And from sky, dropping some things that you need to catch. If you catch... Okay, so... Is there... Because I'm kind of not understanding. Is there a way you could, like, show... If there's a YouTube video, it'd be super helpful. But yeah. Let's see. Let's make it more than 3. Let's make it 5. Okay, so that's like that. If we make it 0, it's going to be nothing. It's still rotated for some reason. Here, let's change this one to cosine. This one to sine. Yeah, okay, it rotates it. That's the angle I want. This is straight down, and I want to add pi to it. 2 pi plus pi. There we go. Let's make it 3 then, because I'm pretty sure 3 will work now. Fantastic. But yeah, I don't know if I'm following you. Let's see. I don't think we're gonna need to set the aliens. I really just want to loop through this forward. So I think I'll just do this. Is less than this one I plus plus. Okay, let's make this height. Let's make it like this. It'll be, okay, it's off the screen. Minus 20. Fantastic. Yes, I'm hyped about that. I'm hyped because now I can create any shape I want and I know how to do it now. But yeah, okay, so that's good. FFF. I'll just, this is false because we're not an enemy. And so, let's say init, here, we'll say aliens equals init, fleet, with width of 3, height, or a width of 10, height of 3. There we go. It's cringe. What do you mean? Maybe you should just send it. I'm not sure. Let's see. Init fleet width, say W and H because those are reserved words. So var fleet equals an array. We say var size equals, we want them in a certain, oh, it doesn't allow you to post a web address. That's interesting. Maybe send it over Twitter, and then I will see. Here, let's just pass in a size. I think we should just pass in a size instead of calculating them. So you know what? We won't. We'll say var size equals. Okay. I'll check that. Let's see. Nope. Okay. Let's see. Oh, Adobe Flash. I guess I'll enable it. Choose a female. Wait, so I like this is silly. Okay. So if I get a bad beer, then it's like is there, do I only have to get them, I guess? Or is there an enemy one? I will admit this is what. Oh, I lost it? Who made this? Okay, yeah, I'm gonna exit before it gets too crazy. At least you can't see the female on stream, I guess. Anyways. Oh gosh. Okay. Let's see. Width over 2. Actually, it should be, yeah, width over 2 divided by, here, let's say over W. That's the size of each one. Shouldn't worry about the height because, to be quite honest, the height shouldn't matter. I'm not going to make them stacked so high that it matters, but we will say for var x equals 0, x is less than, I probably can, yeah, seems pretty basic. Is there like a bad bottle that if you catch the bad bottle then it makes you game over type thing? Or is it just that? Because either way it'd be really easy to implement. I think I will implement it anyway. Is less than W, x plus plus, and then for var y equals 0, y is less than height, y plus plus. And what we will say is the offset is width over 4, var x off equals width over 4, var y off equals we will actually say the, yeah, okay, this is fine actually. Well, you can make bad, yeah, okay, well I'll probably just make them circles or something. Let's see, y offset is going to be the height, it's going to be height over 2, yeah, okay, that's fine. Height over 2. So we are going to say fleet dot push, and I'm gonna actually say return fleet. Dude, fleet is such a cool word. New saucer. Okay, and we gotta find x and y, size, shape. Okay, so the x and y is going to be x off plus x y is going to be y, or it's actually going to be y off minus y, because we want them going upward. And what we will say is S is size, shape. Size, shape is going to be random. We'll just say math.floor random random 12. Okay. Now, oh dang, it's 3:30 a.m. Yeah, I will most definitely check Twitter. Thank you for the suggestion. And then enemy is going to be true. So that's that. Okay, cool. Yeah. What we say is we have the math.floor random size, and I think we're good. Push the new fleet height. There. Okay. We have an error. That is due to the fact that we are saying x times size, y times size. There we go. Cool. That's more like it. Except we got a couple of dots here, and I'm not too sure why. It is 10 by 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So size is width over 2 over width. It's the spacing that isn't quite. Okay, let's multiply these by 2. Huh. Okay, well that's more like it. Except we are saying, let's make it x off by 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I'm not gonna pass it. I'm just gonna pass in the size. This is going to be like 40. Nope. 20. That's more like it. Okay, so why is this? Why are we getting a dot there? Oh, right, that makes sense. So we have 12. Really, it needs to be 10 plus at least 3. Let's make it 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3. There we go. There we go. Cool. So now we have all the different things. What I want to do though is make it make them darker. Nah, I lied. Whoop. There. That should be fine. Now we just need to calculate y off, or x off. So if what we have is width over size, let's just try this. Yeah, okay, that wasn't it. That was a random guess. So if it's size, let's say this is like 100. Let's say this is 50 and this is 100. We have width. We want to subtract size times width and then divide all that by 2. And then divide it by 2. Oop. Oh, because it's size times width times 2. There we go. That's what it is. Cool. So we have different shapes and everything, and it's all cool and dandy. And I think the offsets are good. Now what we will do is say, we need a saucer. Okay. This dot position dot it's not dot add. I wish it were dot add. This dot velocity. There is no this dot velocity. Okay, here. XY, we do need a this dot velocity. Equals null. Say null for now. Now what we will say is if ABS, then we want to do something else. We are going to just set the position. This is odd. We want to move it to an absolute position, right? Because when we do a sine function, we want an absolute position. But I think what we can do is we won't have any absoluting at all. I think we can go without that. Dot velocity equals create vector. Vector xy. Actually, no. We are going to see this dot acceleration. We are going to say this dot acceleration equals. We're just going to create vectors for these 0, 0. There. Create vector 0, 0. There we go. So we say that, and then we say this dot velocity times equals 0.87. This dot acceleration equals create vector 0, 0. And what we'll say is this dot position dot add this dot velocity. But before that, we say this dot velocity dot add acceleration. Oh, my bad. This dot acceleration. Reset. Change position. Change velocity. Cool. I'm just gonna. I don't know. I never put comments. I don't know why I need to. Not for these though, because then it would take so long. So this is good. What we say is velocity dot add. This dot velocity dot add. Send saucer 16. Let's look at vertex or the vector. P5 vector. Okay, so this is good. They are vectors. They are all vectors. So why is this dot vel dot add? Why is that not a function? We have a vector and we can add the vector. We say this dot vel dot add this dot acceleration. Here, let's console.log. This dot vel, this dot acceleration. Actually, no. This dot position. Here we go. Now, so it's creating all of them, I think. It seems. We say shuttle, and then we do this, and then I think the first No. Here, we'll log this .e. True. It's once we get to our No. This is false. That's completely fine. So where is this true? What's this true coming from? Is this a second init fleet, we say false, and then that's our here, let's flag in the console. Didn't mean to do that. Flag. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Before we do this, then we're gonna say console.log I. No, I wanted regular I. No. Yeah. There. Let's delete this one. The Y is not a number. Okay. So what happened to... We have this dot velocity. Oh, wow, that should have been obvious to me. Molt. Fantastic. Stop consoling. Excuse me. Let's stop logging this now. Okay. Now we will say aliens.move aliens of I.move. We will say move it first. Well, we're gonna say move it by a decent amount. Nothing on the Y right now. But okay. Sign of frame count 0. Cool. So now they're moving very fast. Okay. Frame count over what? No. It needs to be times. Width. It needs to be less than times width. Yeah, because look at that. It's not even showing up on the screen. Times 20. It's like wiggling super fast. Okay, let's multiply this by 0.0. Let's try 0.1. Okay, cool. 0.1. It's only moving in one direction though. Okay, is it gonna come back? Come here. Come back. There we go. That goes away for a long time. Now here's our problem. We don't want the offset to actually be anything. We don't want the offset, do we? We can just kind of say this then. There we go. Okay. Now let's multiply it by 2. Why is that going so far? Times 1. Why is it going so... Oh, it's because of the acceleration and everything. Okay. Times 0.5. Good. Not even that. Here we'll just say plus size. There we go. That should start them. There we go. Okay. Cool. 0.02. Cool. 0.25. Okay. Almost there. 0.3. Let's move them. I don't know if I should move them faster because there we go. Yeah, I'll just have this. Let's say random. No. Var y change equals random between 0 and 0.2, something like that. So then we do y change. Okay, too much change on the y. Okay. Awesome. Okay. I'd like it to be a little bit more than that. Fantastic. Awesome. It gets really close. Great. Okay. Now what we do is we say we need to check collision between anything. So this is going to continue for a really long time. Now what we do is we say we have a saucer.move, saucer.shoot, prototype.shoot equals function, x velocity, y velocity, there we go. So this is going to be actually no. Actually, yeah, okay. So we will say, we need to keep track of the shootings. Okay, here. We'll each saucer will have this dot lasers equals an array. And what we say is, we then update, we say for var I equals 0, I is less than, okay. This dot lasers dot length minus 1, I is greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. No. I did not mean idea. Okay. We say, what do we say? This dot lasers of I. No, why does it keep doing that? Dot update. This dot lasers of I dot draw. There we go. Now we need laser prototype dot update equals function. And we need a draw. Draw. Okay. And then we need an off screen. You know what? No. This dot on screen equals true. And what we say now is if this dot lasers of I dot on screen, then we will draw them. There we go. Else we will delete them. This dot lasers dot splice. dot splice from the what do we do? What should we do at this point? Let's see. Splice I, comma 1. Now we need to be able to check the collision. So with an update, we could easily just kind of pass all ships and check all lasers for all ships and say make like a saucer.kill function. Okay. We have an update. We just need to say we give it a new laser, right? Dot shoot. We'll just say this dot lasers dot push new laser xy, this dot position dot x, this dot position dot y, and it will be x velocity will be 0, y velocity will be negative, or e. If we're an enemy, we will say 5, else negative 5. E, and then R call. This should be simple. Stroke this dot C. No. This dot C. Stroke weight. 5 maybe? I don't know. Point this dot position dot x, this dot position dot y. Don't really need a y velocity. This dot y velocity equals y velocity, and then we will say this dot y velocity or this dot position dot y plus equals this dot y velocity. And then within laser, we can delete the 0. Cool. And then I'm just gonna stretch this onto one line. Okay, and then that's that. Now what we do, that's fine. All ships. Now what we do is we say for var s equals. No. We are only going to do it for this. For var j equals all, or 0. J is less than all ships dot length j plus plus. Okay, we'll grab this. There we go. Now we update all of the ships and all of the lasers, and we make sure none of them hit each other. So, update, draw. Instead of doing this here, we need to say that. And we will say return on here. And then we say for all of these, we're going to say this dot lasers of I dot check collision dot hits. If this happens, then we say here, all ships of I. Then we say all ships of I dot destroy. There we go. Have a destroy function. Oh wait, no, this is within saucer. Saucer. Ooh. There. Home. Destroy. We have a destroy function now. This dot intact equals true. We say this dot intact equals false. We're gonna say, and here is if, how you doing, Clooney? If aliens of I dot intact. Let's actually move this up here. There we go. And that else, and we are going to have to move this there, -1 greater than or equal to 0, subtract on the y side, else aliens dot splice I1. There we go. And what we'll say is score plus equals aliens of I, no, of I dot, here we'll just say aliens of I dot E, no, aliens of I dot shape 0. There we go. So we add to the score, var score equals 0. Okay, so if shuttle intact end game. Okay, there we go. What we need to do is say text score width over 2 comma 50. No, let's make it 40. And then yeah, okay, that's fine. We have our text size 30, 35. Yeah, okay. Fill 255, no stroke. We will say is text align. Oh, center there. Expected token. Space Invaders 31. Oh. There. And then I messed it up somewhere else, right? Saucer 71. Yeah. There. Cool. We have our fleet, and it's slowly making its way. Okay, so function key pressed, we will say is if, actually console.log key code, right, I messed it up, 32, if key code equals 32, we can get rid of this now. Then we shoot. So shuttle.shoot. E is not defined. Right. Okay. Length of undefined. Cannot read property length of undefined. Saucer 37. Right here. Oh, and we didn't pass it in. Shuttle.shoot. Update. Aliens. Update. Aliens. Here. JavaScript concat. Can I do this? I don't want it editing the new array. Oh, we say concat. Okay. Dot concat shuttle dot concat shuttle there. Hits is not a function. Laser hits. Okay. Laser dot prototype dot hits equals function saucer. Okay. Var d equals dist between dot y and saucer position dot x saucer dot position dot y. That's that. If d is less than saucer dot size, here we'll just return. Cool, that's that. Cool. Oh, I like the colors. Whoa. What happened there? Is it shooting multiple or what? Cannot read position of undefined. Laser 27. 27. Saucer. Forgot a semicolon. Update, we will just say if this dot y is greater than, or here we'll just say this dot on screen equals this dot position dot y is greater than height, or this dot position dot y is less than 0. Which I'd like these to be flipped. There. Oop, there. Okay. Height is not defined. So I can't less than height, or it's greater than height, or less than 0. So it seems like, here. Oh, right, I need to knot it. That should have been obvious. Yeah, we are getting an error position within laser 28. Yep. Called from saucer 39. Okay. Lasers hits. Oh, I think I know what I did. Well, no, I'm not exactly sure. I think it's because this is our ship. Right? No. Hang on. Cannot read position of undefined. Is the saucer the one that's... Yeah. Position of undefined. And then this is undefined. So why is this undefined? Why is all ships of I undefined? Has it got something to do with this? Because I feel like it does. And this dot lasers of I equals all ships of I dot E. And I need to add dot E to this. And doesn't equal. It can't equal it. That's what I'm going to say. Well, it seems like we can shoot an unlimited amount of times now. So I think I figured out. Shuttle. Did I have a lasers array 0? Haha, I got it. Lasers 0. Why is it 0? Gosh. So really we want to see if it collides with anything. Destroy. Where's our destroy? This dot intact equals false. And we say if intact, we move it. Else, we do this. We don't need to destroy. Dot intact equals none of this. It's going to equal that, but none of it. It sounds weird to say none of it because it's like, I don't know, it just sounds funky. There. Okay, so D is less than saucer dot width. Really, it should be S. Okay, so now this isn't working. A saucer has a size, right? Yes. Maybe it's saucer size. Let's try this. Let's just keep trying. Let's say console.log D. No. D. There. So now the saucer's size, it's never okay, I see what this is. We're getting 31 each time. 31 exact copies. So all ships, is this truly checking the distance? All ships of I, it should be. Oh, unless we said no, because this is, yeah, okay, that's completely fine. This is good. Let's log all this. Okay, they're apparently all in the same place. Well, I'm kind of stumped. We say shuttle.update. We pass in the array. Aliens.concatenated with the shuttle, which equates to 31, except all ships is for some reason. Oh, this should be J. Ah, this also should be J. Yeah, okay. Hang on. Let's try this again. We have... Yeah, you see 5 right there. That should have been it. Saucer.s. So that's good. Let's try saucer.s. 20. They're always 20. And D was less than 20. So if D is less than 20, then we want them to be dedicated. Okay, let's console.log D again. D, no, there we go. Okay, where is it the lowest? 176, 59, here. Math.floor, should make it simpler. So we get 19, yet none of them die. Let's do plus size, plus saucer.s, and we will add that to both the x and y. Okay, so this should be better. Okay, let's try this. Move, please. Okay, let's just do return true. Return false. Doesn't make a difference, does it? Okay. Okay, let's try this. Okay. Return true. Aliens is not defined. So what it can't be, if it hits it, here, this dot lasers of I dot E is not equal all ships of I dot E. What if it does equal it? Yeah, okay, so it kills it. And then we delete ourselves on accident. That's not what we want to do. So if this is true, if it is an enemy, or no, we want to see if it's false. We want to be like, did I accidentally make the aliens false or something? Where do I create the fleet? It's down here. It is a bad guy. That is a good guy. So if it hits, what if this is true? If it hits it, then we check lasers oh right, okay, J. Okay, let's see. Let's try equals. Okay, and we get an error. Aliens is not defined. Where? Space Invaders 31. Aliens. Aliens of I dot E. Cool. If it hits it, we're just gonna say if. I'm gonna wrap all this in some parentheses. What we'll do is we will say all ships. Oh, that was dumb. Dot splice here. Let me splice it real quick. Is because I was saying all ships of I dot intact equals false. Oh, no. End game is not defined. Okay, this should be pretty simple. Function end game. Cool. No loop. Text size 100. Text. Here we'll say fill 255. No stroke. Okay, no stroke. Text game over. Width over 2, height over 2. GHT over 2. 2 there. Invalidness. Oh. Wow, I am like falling asleep right now. Game over. What happened? I shot myself. So it can't equal that. Cannot read hits of undefined. Undefined is the laser. So we're looping through it backward, which is completely fine. Shouldn't have any problems. Here it is. Oh wait, no, we return. Oh, we don't want to return, we just want to continue. So that's one thing. Cannot read hits of undefined. So we're splicing it and we're looping through it backward, which means we should end up in a good place. But I'm not exactly sure why we aren't seeing that. Let's see. We go through the first one, and then it says, cannot read hits of undefined. So the first one is checking this guy. 290, that seems pretty plausible. Then it checks this guy. And then that's where it kind of, oh. Try this. Okay, so it hit it, quote unquote hit. Doesn't seem like it's perfectly there, but we will say hits of undefined. So it truly is when we splice it. So we do this. This.lasers.splice. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Okay. And we stopped drawing it, huh? We'll just say on screen equals false. There we go. Aliens is not find. Aliens. So let's stop logging this. Oop. Or yeah, we'll just comment this out. Aliens isn't defined. How peculiar. We say this. Okay. So why is this having trouble right now? See, only 2 places. Let's take out aliens.splice. Aliens is still not defined. That's very odd. That is very odd. Oh my gosh, are you serious? Dude, that's the reason why? Okay, cool. Awesome. Now let's say it's false. intact is false. No. On screen equals false. We delete it. Should delete there now. If it's on screen, it should go to else. That's what it's doing. It should completely stop updating and drawing. Really. Let's try this. Let's try this again. Yeah, we get that. Oh, okay, that makes sense. We can just break out of that, because then we keep checking the, Okay, let's try something random. Function handle keys. Handle keys. We say if key is down left arrow, then we say shuttle dot move to left by -1 0. Then we say right arrow right, we don't call handle keys. Cool. Okay. No. Yes. Okay. That's very odd how that happens, really. We add size to it, right? Oh, wait. Laser. Let's try not adding size, the size of the saucer. That seems much better. See, maybe it was in the middle. I think it was in the middle. That's cool. So there we go. We don't need this. Delete that. Come in here. Okay, and we are going to say frame count. Here, we'll say var speed equals 0.01. We'll actually say speed equals 0.01. And we'll say if aliens.length equals 0 or is less than 1, then we will say speed plus equals 0.01. We'll say speed times 5. So it'll go up much. Yeah, we'll do 0.05. There, and we will say aliens equals init fleet. We'll say 10.4 or speed times 100. Speed is going to equal 0.01. It's going to be 10 by 1. So first, we are just going to do that. When it equals 0, it should do, oh, my bad. Init fleet. I keep saying fleet. Okay. Fleet. There we go. Goodness, why is this like this? No. There we go. Okay. So why is it starting over there? I don't... Oh, it's because the speed is more and more each time. Okay. I guess. No. You know what it is? It's the sign. Okay. We need movement. Yeah. Then we will say var movement equals, or we'll just say movement equals 0. We will say is movement equals 0. Say movement plus. Should be pretty basic right here. There we go. Now this one should remain in the middle. Come on, remain in the middle. Yes. Yeah, that was the problem with it. Oh. Okay. Okay. And my hand is cramping. Okay, yeah, that's all I got. Okay, so what's going now is we're going to say okay, if frame count mod 60 equals 0. No. We're just gonna put this in here. If random of their aliens, here we'll say random is less than aliens of I dot shape. So if it's greater than their shape, then we're going to make them shoot. Aliens of I dot shoot. Oh, my bad. It needs to be inversely proportionate. There. Whoa. Look how much they shot. It's greater than 1 over that. So yes, this one is much less. 1 second. Okay. 1 over that. Let's do, since it's at least 3, we'll say random over 3 greater than this. Oh man, that's quite a few. Random greater than, okay, say if random, or you know what, maybe it needs to be less than. No, because this is, it seems to be going nicely right now. If random is less than 0.01. So low chance they're going to, there. Control Shift Tab. It's this plugin and it's buggy. I need to, oh wow. Oh, sheesh. They're firing quite often. Oh, no. Okay. These need to go slower. Shoot 3, -3. And... okay. Huh? Okay. Cool. Shucks. But yeah, you get the point. This is the game. Cool. I'd like to add a cooldown. Okay, let's add a real quick cooldown. This dot cooldown or CD equals 30. Cooldown. There we go. This in the update we'll say this dot cooldown plus plus. Then shoot we'll say if this cooldown greater than we'll say var or const cooldown equals 30 there, then we will say cooldown home tab, nope, there, huh? Thank you. Okay, now I can't. Oh, yeah. This should be this dot cooldown. I guess it's because we have that. No? Huh. Let's say this dot cooldown equals 30. Okay. Let's see. If this happens, then we're going to say this dot cooldown CD, it's CD equals 0. This dot CD greater than cooldown. No, still can't. Okay, cool. Down. Cool. That's the game. That's about all today. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you have enjoyed, please give it a rate and a comment. And I will see you guys in the next episode. Dude, that's difficult. Okay. Maybe it needs to be less. Let's do, instead of doing a nested random, just say there. We won't do proportionate. We'll say times 0.001. 0.01. There we go. And it has to be less than. Okay, so that's that. And we'll say, yeah, okay, no. 0.01. Cool. That's more like it. Shucks. What's nice is that their bullets delete. Okay, watch this. Shucks. But yeah, that's about all. Whoa, that was odd. Oh, I guess the pixel was so close to 51 that it was Okay, I gotta get through the actual... Nice. Shucks. I want to get through level 1. Okay. There. This is going to be for the thumbnail. There. 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 Shucks. Okay. Well, yeah, that's about all. Thank you all for watching. If you have enjoyed, tune in next time. I will be creating that 1 bucket thingy. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.